Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate dipped strawberries. Let's rock them out. The first thing that we want to do is rinse and then very thoroughly dry each one of our strawberries. The next thing that we want to do is melt our chocolate with our shortening. So you can use whatever kind of chocolate that you want. I am using this, but like I said, whatever you want to use. And here I have coconut oil. I have 1 tablespoon. You can use veggie oil or canola oil or really whatever kind of shortening that you want, but you do want to have that tablespoon of oil. And this is 8 ounces of chocolate if I didn't already say. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take just a few of these chips out for when this comes out of the microwave. We're going to stir these back in once it's melted, and that's going to assure that we have a really nice tempered chocolate. It should already be tempered and it probably won't come out of temper, but it's like a little safety net. This is going into the microwave at half power, so I'm going to go ahead and set my power. We're going to cook this for 45 seconds. Take it out and give it a stir, and then we are going to put this right back into the microwave for another 30 seconds. We're going to continue doing that until it's nice and smooth and melted. So as you can see, my chocolate is nice and melted here. I'm going to go ahead and add in those other chips. This is called seeding your chocolate. It is a method of tempering. And I'm going to stir until those are nice and melted. Give it a few taps. This is just going to bring any air bubbles up to the surface because we want to make sure to pop those. And we are ready to dip. Oh, look at that. Is it gorgeous? Just go ahead and let that excess chocolate run for a few seconds, and then you can lay it right here on your parchment paper. These strawberries will set up at room temperature. If you want to do any decorating, you want to go ahead and do that while it's wet. So I just have some sprinkles that I'm going to put on this guy. Little hearts, they're super cute. I want to also show you how to make one of the cute little tuxedo ones. So if you want to do that, just go ahead and dip it in white chocolate first, or candy melts, which are a lot easier to work with. Once that is set, you can go ahead and dip it, but you're going to do it at an angle, so kind of sideways, so it looks like he's wearing a little vest. So kind of down and at a little angle like that, right? And then, ooh, hard to hold. Okay, down and at a little angle like that. And you can see that we have the little tuxedo effect. I'm just going to let the chocolate drip for a second, and then what you do is you take a toothpick and you just draw on the little bow tie and buttons. Be sure to include some fun toppings because fun toppings are fun. Check out my Pop Rocks. These can be stored in an airtight container for 1 day at room temperature, or if you need them longer, you can store them for 2 to 3 days in the refrigerator, also in an airtight container. Thank you so much for watching, and happy cooking, everyone!
BestBuysForever.com